In this video, you'll learn how to create cinematic videos using Higgsfield AI. This guide will take you through each step of the process, ensuring you can produce high-quality videos with ease. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see an interface with options for both video and image generation. It's important to ensure your internet connection is stable to facilitate a smooth experience. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Cinema Studio Video. This can typically be found prominently displayed on the main page. After selecting this option, you will be directed to a new screen specifically designed for creating cinematic videos. Once you are on the Cinema Studio Video page, look for their image option and click on it. This will allow you to begin the process of generating the visual elements of your video. After this action, you should see a range of image generation tools that you can utilize for your project. After that, click on the video option. This will lead you further into the video creation process. You should now see options for various video settings and adjustments that can enhance your cinematic experience. You will then need to click on Cinema Studio. This section provides advanced features for video production. Make sure to review the options presented as they can significantly impact the quality of your final product. Following this, you will see a prompt for creating professional-grade cinematic content powered by real camera and lens simulation. Click on this to access more detailed settings that will improve your video output. Now, type in a detailed description of the scene you wish to create. This is a critical step as it dictates the visual style and elements that will be included in your video. Ensure you provide enough detail for the AI to generate the desired imagery. Next, click on the movements option. This section allows you to specify how elements within your video will move, enhancing the dynamic quality of your production. After selecting this, you will see various movement options available for your project. Afterward, click on camera movement. This will let you adjust how the virtual camera interacts with the scene. Pay attention to the available settings as they can add depth and perspective to your cinematic video. Following this, select the aspect ratio setting. This is vital for ensuring your video fits the desired display format. Different aspect ratios can change how your video is perceived, so choose one that aligns with your vision. Next, adjust the duration to 5 seconds. This will set the length of your video clip, allowing you to create concise cinematic moments. Make sure to confirm this setting before proceeding. Then, click on the audio option to add sound to your video. Audio can significantly enhance the cinematic experience, so consider the type of sound that will complement your visuals. After that, click on Batch to manage how many videos you want to generate at once. This may be useful if you're creating multiple scenes or variations of your video. Next, click on Start Frame. This action will establish the beginning point of your video sequence. It is essential to confirm that this frame aligns with your intended narrative. Then click on End Frame to set the conclusion of your video. This helps define the scope of your cinematic piece, ensuring it flows naturally from start to finish. Finally, click on Generate to create your cinematic video. This process may take some time, depending on the complexity of your project and the speed of your internet connection. A progress indicator may appear, allowing you to monitor the generation status, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.